Okay, guys, you already know how we do it. So without wasting time, let's just go to Play Store and then search for Latron VPN, as you can see here. Okay. After downloading it, you just click Open. Okay. So after opening it, this is how it will appear. Okay. This is how it will appear. So you have to add time. Okay. You have to add time to get enough time to browse. Okay. This is absolutely free. You see, if you check my internet, I'm coming. If you check my internet, you could see that I don't have any bundle. Okay, it's a sign into network. Okay, all right. So that means I don't have anything on it. So right away, we will just go and add time, and then we click connect. Okay, so I have 7 minutes. So I don't want the video to be long. Okay, so let's just connect. And after a few seconds, it's connected. Okay, you can even see it here. So for you to see that it's working perfectly, let's open YouTube and then play a video. As you can see, it's very fast. Very fast. Okay, so let's play this video and see. Whoa, you see? So you can browse the whole
What if I
video.
told you you could earn crypto with those old, unused smartphones sitting?
You see? So this is how it is. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Around? Let me show you.